Hello everyone, welcome back to the Echo Result official YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about Triple IIT Hyderabad College Review. So watch this video till end. Today we will discuss the real student experience, overview, campus academic, branch wise cutoff, hostel review, student life review, placement fees and overall rating of Triple IIT Hyderabad. So let's begin. Triple IIT Hyderabad, also known as International Institute of Information Technology Hyderabad. IIT Hyderabad is regarded as the best IIT in India and is often compared directly with top IITs for computer science, artificial intelligence, electronics, and research. It was established in 1998, located in Hyderabad, and is deemed university. The campus size is of 66 acres and it is famous for computer science, AI, and research. And it is considered as best triple IT in India, one of the best triple IT in India. Now, why triple IT is famous? India's strongest coding culture, allied computer science program, outstanding research opportunities, top placements are there, strong startup ecosystem, excellent AI and ML research, highly selective admission. Along with these, for research student interested in CSE, AI, ML, data science, robotics, and research, Triple IT Hyderabad is considered one of the prestigious institutes in the country. You can also see some of the glimpse of Triple IT Hyderabad images is also shown here. This is also the Triple IT Hub Data event image is shown here, and you can also see the student image. Now, coming to the next topic, that is campus review. We're talking about the campus life. So, small but highly efficient campus. Unlike IITs and NITs, Triple IT Hyderabad has a relatively small campus. Campus is much smaller than IIT Bombay or IIT Kharagpur. Limited open spaces compared to large IIT campus. Advantage: everything is within walking distance. Strong academic exposure is there. Also, campus facilities include modern academic buildings, advanced research lab, digital classroom, sports facilities, student activity centers, and innovation centers. You can also see the vibrant campus life image is also shown here, where the Coco team and music competition, guitar competition, dance competition, sports, academics, research, and making of drones, singing, and the convocation ceremony is also shown here, inside the campus. Now, coming to the next topic, that is discussing about the academics review, academic life, how difficult are the academics. So academic at Triple IT Hyderabad are rigorous, extremely high, difficulty level will be extremely high. This is where Triple IT Hyderabad becomes different from most engineering college. There is a unique learning model. The institute focuses heavily on practical learning, research, project based education, and innovation based learning. Also, talking about the academic reality, student experience a heavy coursework, frequent projects, research assignment is there, coding intensive curriculum, strict evaluation. Many students describe academics as tougher than several IITs. Also, some of the students think that if you have done JEE mains, then the academic at college life will be very easy. So it is just considered as a myth. The academic reality is that the difficulty level will be very high because there will be heavy coursework, research assignment will be there, and strict evaluation will be there. Also, coming to the faculty review, one of the India's best research faculties are available at Triple IT Hyderabad. Faculty members are actively involved in artificial intelligence, machine learning, robotics, computer vision, natural language processing, cyber security, and students get opportunities to work directly with professors on cutting edge research projects. Now, area of excellence. Triple IT Hyderabad is particularly famous for AI/ML, robotics, data science, computer vision, MLP, and cyber security. Along with this, it considered research that makes a difference. Now, talking about the branch-wise reputation, Tier 1 programs is often considered as CSE, Computer Science Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Computer Science and MS by Research, and Artificial Intelligence program are considered as Tier 1 branch. So branch matters a lot at the IIT Hyderabad. Now, talking about coding culture review, one of the strongest coding culture among all triple ITs, students actively participate in competitive programming, ICPC, hackathons, open source projects, web development. Many students secure placement in top product companies. Now you can also see the clubs at IIT. Introduction to clubs event is also displayed here. Along with this, you can also see hostel life review. So talking about the hostel life, the hostel environment is highly academic and tech focused. It is considered as one of the most prestigious moment of your life. So hostel features include Wi-Fi enabled campus, study rooms are there, common areas, sports facilities, coding communities are also available. Along with this, talking about the positive and negative points of hostel, a strong hostel culture, diverse student communities there, active student clubs, good peer interaction. Along with these, some negative points are some older hostels require innovation, Wi-Fi complaints appear in student review, maintenance quality varies across hostels. Also, a student described hostel life as friendly, collaborative, innovation focused, and less politely driven. Talking about the mess food quality, decent quality is there, both mix up is there. South Indian food options are heavily available, hygienic facilities is available. And talking about the negative points, there might be sometimes the menu reputation will be there and mixed reviews from North Indian students. And this is the hostel image and the hostel building is shown here, and you can also see the canteen photo is also displayed here. Now talking about the student life review, so student life is less focused on large scale cultural activities and more focused on technology, research, startup, innovation, different from traditional IIT culture. You will experience at triple IIT Hyderabad a very different culture. It might be very different from IITs or NITs. Major festival years are Felicity, annual cultural festival featuring music event, gaming competitions, cultural performance, along with student activity is also there. And talking about the next major festival, that is R&D showcase. Students frequently present innovative research projects here. R&D, by the name itself you can consider it is based on research and development. So students will present their innovative research projects to the juries. Now you can also see some of the challenges. Image of chess competition is also shown here. Now talking about the, along with this, you can also join some of the clubs and communities, like a student can join coding clubs, AI clubs, robotic clubs, music and dance clubs, literary society. The institute strongly support student led activities. Along with this is you can also explore the campus more and more. Now coming to the next important point, that is the placement review. The placement, every year we hear that triple IT Hyderabad placements records this much. So placement are the biggest strength of triple IT Hyderabad. Talking about the branch wise average package, for computer science engineering student it is 30 to 45 LPA, for AI student it is 30 to 50 LPA, and for EC it is 20 to 30 LPA. Now placement here are excellent, approximate salary ranges. You can also see that triple IT Hyderabad placement for the student registered and student placed is also shown here. But you should also understand not everyone is going to get their dream placement. The student regularly receive software development roles, AI engineer roles, research engineer roles, quant opportunities. Triple IT Hyderabad often records placement figures comparable to top IITs in computer science. Now, talking about the top recruiters or top companies that often visits to Triple IT Hyderabad are Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Apple, Meta, Nvidia, Qualcomm, and Goldman Sachs. Now, this is all about the placement. Now, talking about the startup and research culture review. So, startup culture, startup ecosystem is very strong. Many alumni have founded successful startups in artificial intelligence, SaaS, fintech, deep tech. The Hyderabad startup ecosystem further strengthens opportunities. Talking about the research cultural review, biggest strength of Triple IT Hyderabad. Kohli Research Block is also available. Research opportunities begin in AI, robotics, NLP, computer vision, healthcare AI, cyber security. For students interested in MS, PhD or research careers, Triple IT Hyderabad is among India's best institutions. You can also see one of the glimpse of Kohli Research Block. The student and faculty is also shown here. Now, peer group. One of the biggest strength of all IITs, NITs or triple ITs is that you will interact with JEE Advanced toppers, competitive coders, researchers, startup founders, Olympiad achievers. The students frequently mention the positive and collaborative peer culture. Now talking about the pros and cons. Before that, we can also discuss about the location advantage. So Hyderabad is a very good and decent location. Hyderabad offers a strong IT ecosystem, startup opportunities are there, internship access can be very easily compared to low town or different college. Internship access is very frequent and research collaboration or research opportunities are highly available in Hyderabad due to IT sector. Better industry exposure is also available. Now talking about the fees review structure, so approximate annual cost for tuition fee is 1 to 2 lakh per year and hostel plus mess fee is 30,000 to 60,000 per year. And talking about the scholarship, good financial aid available for SC/ST student, EWS and merit scholarships are also available. One Reddit student shared that the scholarship covered most expenses due to low family income. Gender ratio is still male dominated in many branches but improving gradually. Now mental stress and stress reality, academic pressure is significant. Relative grading creates stress. Placement competition can be intense. Now, talking about the pros and cons. So, best triple IT in India, allied coding culture background is there, excellent placement is there, strong AI and ML programs exist, outstanding research opportunities can be concluded, strong peer group. Along with that, startup and research ecosystem is very malicious, and Hyderabad location advantage is considered as the most favorable for all the state students. Now talking about the cons, extremely rigorous academics, smaller campus compared to bigger IITs or NITs, high workload will be there, less traditional college life than IITs, limited non-tech opportunities compared to IITs. So who should join Triple IT Hyderabad? So you should strongly consider Triple IT Hyderabad if you love coding, you want a career in AI ML or CSE, you enjoy research programs, you want top software placements, you are comfortable with academic rigor. Along with this, talking about the overall rating, so placement 10 out of 10, coding culture 10 out of 10, research 10 out of 10, academics 9 point out of 10, startup ecosystem 9.5 out of 10. Campus can be considered due to very low spread in very low acres and low means boundaries. So the campus can be given 8 out of 10, student life 8 out of 10, and return of investment is very high 9.5 out of 10. So overall rating will be 9.2 out of 10. So overall rating will be 9.5 out of 10. Triple IT Hyderabad is not just the best Triple IT in India, it is one of the best computer science institution in the country. Triple IT Hyderabad can be a better choice than many IITs outside the top 5-7, especially for CSE related careers. It is combination of elite coding culture, world class research and exceptional placement makes it a dream destination for serious tech enthusiasts. So this is all about Triple IT Hyderabad. At the end of the video, we have also attached some of the useful resources for the students like Triple IT Hyderabad official website, admission portal, student portal, placement cell link. Along with that, entrepreneurship, research, and internship opportunities is data available at Triple IT Hyderabad is also attached. So thank you for watching the detailed review of Triple IT Hyderabad. If you like the video, please share, subscribe to Dekho Result Official, and please comment in comment section that which triple IT, NIT or IIT or the gift or state college we should review in our next video. Thank you.